It's always a sign to let you know that it's coming. It's always those little trinkets, just like right now. It's like when we came out of that winter storm and that snow melted, you saw those little blades of grass growing up from that dirt in that ground, or you saw those little leaves and stuff, those little buds come out from the branches of the trees. See, although it wasn't the spring season, but those were little signs to let you know that it's coming. You see.